Model railroad fans, some questions. Pullers. What's going to be able to pull better? These F7s? The C&O lash up? Perhaps an EM1 Yellowstone class, B&O 2884, biggest steam locomotive the B&O ever ran? Is that going to be able to outpull? The C&O Alleghenies, the heaviest steam locomotives ever built, arguably the most powerful thing that ever pulled on the rails that developed steam. Or what else? How about this guy? 19 inches of German power, Mini Dachshund. Folks, I think our Mini Dachshund's going to be the top puller, and I think he's going to win again. Hey, coming up this weekend, running more trains. Thanks for watching.